actually, I just started recording this, and then my daughter decided to join me, so you would probably hear my daughter on the side here, my little Jessica, my little assistant. So if this is your first time, my name is Rebecca Holding. I'm a senior sales director with UK. I started recording this video for my consultants or for any other consultants in the UK that you feel like, you know, you're looking for inspiration or you're looking for some ideas on how to make out your business. So I thought when I think of something, I'll actually come and share it with you ladies. So welcome. Don't forget to press this subscribe button, so next time I post something, you'll be here and you'll be notified as well. So today, you just joined your Mary Kay, you just started, you probably have, I'm pretty sure by now our directors are so effective. I'm pretty sure by now you've got your debut party booked with your director, and you've got a one-to-one orientation booked with your director as well. So this is the step where you're thinking, when you get that box, you know, you get so much settling in, you're thinking, is this really going to work? Is this going to be successful? I don't know that many people. Jessica, now you're making too much noise. Making too much noise. Sorry. You're thinking, is this going to work? Is this really for me? Do you want to say hello? Or do you want to go? Go? You're not going. She's not going. Okay. Is this going to work? We all go through that circle. So you get your kids and then you're wondering, but then you're also enjoying the product. There's so many products in there. In that case, depending on what you started with, if you started with a Go kit, you probably have some samples, catalogs, you have skincare, and you have some hand cream, so, and a mascara. Now we have the mascara for our Go kit, which is amazing. So if you started with a welcome kit, then you have a lot more in your kit, and that's just like a ready to go business. It's like you open the doors to your shop, and then you've got you have your shelves, you've got your sweets that's coming in. So what I always say, the best place to start when you after you've joined is to I'm sure your directors will have told you this, or your recruiter, is to have a list. Now this is where it gets complicated. I don't know too many people, I don't really know who to call, I don't know who to contact. Now you don't need many people to start. My favorite bit about Mary Kay is, if you watch me a lot, you probably know, is the level of reward and recognition with the company. From the minute you join, from the day you join, you are recognized for doing something. So when you do something, when you achieve something, you will be recognized for your hard work. And the first part, well, you don't want to miss, because it's that easy. You really don't want to miss your first recognition. And the first reward is our perfect start and power start. Now this is good for anyone in a business, whether you are a new consultant, a seasoned consultant, director. It's always a good place to go back and revisit, because that will get your business going again. It's almost like you're resetting your business every single month. So the first the perfect start is when you get 15 people to try the product on their faces. 15, so 15 people to try the product on their faces. When you get 15 people, it's that easy to have 15 people to try, because now you're thinking, 15? I don't know, 15 people. Yes, you do, because you know where you start. You do. I'm pretty sure you know 3 people in your diary. You need 3 people to start with. So if you ask your sister, your mom, or your best friend, I'm pretty sure. Let's start with those 3. My sister, my mom, and my best friend. If you don't have a sister, your mom is not around anymore, or lives way too far, I don't know, in another continent, then we look for other options. But let's just start with 3 people. If you get those 3 people to try the product on their faces, the good thing about Mary Kay, our products sell themselves. They literally sell themselves. They are that good. In your kit, you've received, if you start with the Go kit, you received these samples. This is our skincare samples. So you've got these skincare samples. So you can start with this. If you are you've started with the welcome kits, you've also received the samples as well. With the welcome kit, you would have received the full size product. So you can ask your 3 people. If they are close to you, just get them to come to your house, or go to them and just say, because it is your first challenge. Say you just started your Miracle business and you're so excited, you just need a few people to try the product on their faces. There's no obligation to buy, and please make sure you tell them that. No obligation to buy, because you yourself, you want to see the reaction of people when they try the product. So it is a good experience for you. Don't expect anything. If you get orders, yes. If you don't, you would have had 15 people try the product on their face. So you've got your 3 people to start with. When you go to them, just ask them, could you give me a name? Is there anyone in a circle that would appreciate a facial, or just try the product so I can get some feedback? You will get someone like that. Those 3 will give you 1 name each. 1 name each, or 2 names. Say, if you give me 1 name, I'll give you a hand cream. This is our satin hand cream, and we get this in our kit. Say, you give me a name, I'll give you a hand cream. They will give you a name. A name, it doesn't matter what. They'll give you 1 name. Say, if you give me 2 names, I'll give you the hand cream and 10% off your first order. Okay, that's 2. So those 3 giving you 2 names each, that's 6 from those 2. 6 more names. Okay, out of those 6, when you go to them, ask them for 1 name each. When they give you 1 name each, that's another 6, and that's 15. That's your first. Did I do the math right? 3. Get 2 from those 3, that's 6, that's 9. And get 6, 1 each from the other 6 to get you to 15. Okay. Now, those 15, if you can get them to try the product and give you a feedback, they will be happy. They will be so happy to give you 1 more name. So you've got your 15 done. You've done your perfect start. Once you complete your perfect start, you will receive a pin from Mary Kay. The pin will say that you have completed your perfect start, so trying the product on 15 people. Once that's done, all you need now is to go and complete your power start. Power start is once you've tried the product on 30 people within your first month. So the 15 that you had to do your perfect start, you just ask them for 1 more name each. You double the numbers. 15 giving you 1 name each, that's another 15, and that's your power start. So you see, you only needed to start with 1 person and with 3 people. If you know 3 people, one of those person will also know 3 people each. So just ask for 1 each name, or 2, so you can get your power start. And each time, all you have to give them is a hand cream or this sample. Now, if they live far, if they give you a name of a person who's in another town, you can send them the sample. So send them the Mary Kay samples. That sample, you can use it twice. So you've got 2 normal to dry and combination to oily. This is good because it's light and it will go as a normal letter. So just send this, and in the description I will put a link where you can download order of application. With your order of application, just print it up, fold it, put this in, and just tell them, when you receive this, would you please, once you've tried the product on, would you please take a selfie? We all love selfie. Take a selfie with your sample and just either send it to me via Facebook so I can see you've got them, because once you've done that, you're guaranteed to get more people interested in the product. So that's your perfect start and power starts done. And once you're doing that, you can also be sharing the Mary Kay opportunity at the same time. People will be asking you what you're doing. Most people will just wait for you to offer. So when you're doing that, just have fun, talk about the opportunity as well. And guess what? When you share the Mary Kay opportunity with 6 people within your first month, you have the 3 people first. You receive Powers of Sharing earrings. Got beautiful earrings. I don't have the bracelets here, but these are the earrings. I'll put them somewhere. You receive the Powers of Sharing earrings. If you share with 6 people in your first month, you receive bracelets. We've got a set of bracelets to go with it. And if you have someone join your team in your first month, you receive the necklace. So you got a whole set of pearls just for sharing the opportunity with others and giving them the same chance to earn money, earn extra income for themselves, for their family, for whatever reason, just for the same reasons as you've joined. And you always have your director there. You can call your director and they will help you with a three-way call, so you can also learn on how to get the opportunity out there. So thank you for watching. I wish you the very best of luck with your Power Start and Perfect Start Pearls of Sharing. This is a first start for you, and it is the best start for you. If you do Pearls of Sharing and do it every single month, that means you're getting 30 new people, 30 faces every single month to get the product. And eventually, I can almost guarantee if you get 30 faces to try the product, there's a strong chance someone there in those 30 will place an order with you. So good luck, and don't forget, enjoy your product, love your product. Mary Kay products are so good. That's all I use on my skin, for my makeup. If you yourself, you are not using the product, why would you expect anyone to try the product? Just think about that. So thank you for joining today. As I say, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, consultants, and if you have any questions, you can contact me, contact your Mary Kay director. Actually, contact your Mary Kay director first, your Mary Kay recruiter. If you're not a beauty consultant yet, I'm sure you can find one in your area, or you can ask any questions here and someone will probably get back to you. So thank you again. Until next time. Bye bye.